Congratulations! You qualified to watch this private video because of your location. What you're about to discover is highly confidential and shockingly profitable. Do not share this private video with anyone. I'm deadly serious. My name's Sam Smith and I'm a spokesperson for 5-Minute Profit Sites. I guarantee this will be the most important video you watch all year. What if I told you that no matter what your skills or experience, no matter whether your age is 21 or 75, you can make consistent money every day from a secret industry estimated to be worth over $12.3 million a year. It's a little gold mine, hidden away from the public. It has nothing to do with gambling on risky Bitcoin. It has nothing to do with any kind of cryptocurrency. It's so simple to exploit this cash cow. You can start today, but only if you manage to get a free license to use our secret software. A software which builds you a done-for-you website in under 5 minutes and 17 clicks. That's why we call it 5-Minute Profit Sites. It's a point-and-click software app designed to make fast money from affiliate marketing. This is 100% legal and ethical. It's also completely new and unseen. I'm about to prove to you in a live demo that our software actually makes consistent money. Then, at the end of this short video, I'll give you a free license to use our software. That's right, you'll have the chance to use our software for free. So, keep on watching to the end of this short video, or you'll be sick to your stomach later. Now, you might think this sounds too good to be true. So, before we go any further, I want to prove to you that here at 5-Minute Profit Sites, we know how to make money from the internet. Insane amounts of money. I need to warn you though, what I'm about to show you will shock you. Here's one of our affiliate accounts. The paychecks I'm about to show you are all commission money paid to us as affiliates. Look here, you can see we're on the page showing our paychecks. We get paid almost every week into our bank account. Here you can see the date the money was sent to us and how much was deposited into our account. This shows that the payment has been processed. This is how much we're getting paid week after week, all from affiliate marketing. I'm not showing you this confidential information to brag, but to prove to you that we know the secret to make consistent money week in, week out, so you can trust us. Look at this paycheck for just 1 week. Do you know anyone who makes money like this in 1 week? Imagine how amazing it would feel to get paid this much money for 1 week of work. Again, I'm not showing you this private information to show off. I'm sharing this live video proof with you to prove that we know the secret to make consistent money every week from the internet. Here's another monster paycheck. Most people don't even make this in a year, let alone a week. I could carry on, but I want to show you one of our other accounts. Give me a second while I log in. Look here, this is how much money we're making every week. Look at how much money we make every day. It's shockingly consistent money, day in, day out. Take a look at how much money we make in a month. You need to know insider secrets to pull in money like this every month. I'm 100% confident that you, yes, you can make money too. You can make consistent money every day from the comfort of your own home. All you need is the right software, something which actually works. If you manage to get a free license to use our point-and-click software, you can get started today in under 5 minutes and 17 clicks. Now, you might be wondering, why are we doing this? Why are we giving away our most valuable money-making software for free? Well, this isn't charity. We're doing this because we want you to partner with us. As partners, we'll help you and you'll help us. With our partnership, we make a small commission for every affiliate sale you make. It's a nice little income for us, but don't worry, that money will never come out of your pocket. It's a win-win for both of us. We only make money when you make money. That's why we'll do everything in our power to get you making consistent money day in, day out. Now, here's the thing. We need to partner with the right kind of person, otherwise we're wasting our time. To partner with us, you need to meet 2 conditions. Condition 1, if you're the kind of person who will claim a free license and never actually use the software, then click away from this video. Do it right now. This isn't for you. Condition 2, if you're already making $100,000 a year or more from the internet, this isn't for you. Let someone else take your spot, someone who really needs this. This is a simple point-and-click software designed for beginners or for people who've tried to make money online before and failed. So, if you pass both of those conditions, congratulations, you qualify for a free license. Make sure you keep on watching until the end of this short video. Now, you might be wondering, how can you trust us with 100% confidence that this can make you consistent money every day? After all, the internet's full of scams and false promises. So, we decided to do something that proves beyond any doubt that our software, 5-Minute Profit Sites, works exactly as we say it does. So, right now we're going to do a live demo of the software. Do not miss this. The results will shock you. Okay, so let me log into the software. If you're lucky enough to claim a free license, you'll get your own login. Okay, we're in. Look here, you click this button here to set up your own website. You can build your own website in only 3 simple steps. Before we do that, I want you to note the time. Look here, right now it's 5:19 p.m. Make sure you note the time. I guarantee that in less than 5 minutes, our software can build you a brand new, done-for-you website. It's crazy fast. So let's go back to the steps and let's click Build Your Site. The first part is so simple. All you do is sign up for a free account with ClickBank. ClickBank's a huge corporation. They've processed over $1 billion in sales. They'll pay you any affiliate commission you earn. It's like filling in any simple form. You enter some basic personal information, things like your name and your address. Then you click onto the next step and enter your banking information. You need to fill this in so you can get paid. Then, finally, you enter your account nickname and password. I'll use SamSmith78 for the account nickname. You can use whatever nickname you want. Enter a password and click Create Account. And that's it. Then go back to the software and type your ClickBank name into it. It's easy. Next, it's step 2. Here you choose a name for your website. You don't even have to think of one. Just choose one of our expert recommendations from the list. It's so simple. And finally, you sign up to an email service. I'll explain why you do that in a second. This link here takes you to a sign-up page where you sign up to a free account with Auber. We recommend them because they're the best email service around. Once you're signed up with them, your final step is to copy a piece of text. You'll find it in your Auber account. You copy it into here. Don't worry about this. It's so simple, I bet even an 8-year-old could do it. We walk you through it on this video. I'll copy and paste some text from my own personal Auber account for now. All I do is copy and paste. That's it. Okay, so we're all done now. Let's leave the software working in the background, and while it builds our done-for-you website, let me explain exactly how this makes us money. So, as I mentioned earlier, we make money from affiliate marketing. Did you know that by 2020, the affiliate marketing industry is estimated to be worth $6.8 billion a year? Retail giants like Amazon pay out millions every year to their affiliates. As an affiliate, your job is to find people who want to buy a product and send them to a website which sells that product. When those people buy, you get paid commission. It's that simple. You don't have to develop or supply the products. That's the job of the website you send people to. Some websites will pay you 75% commission on the price of the product. That's insanely high. Okay, so you might have heard that making money online is easy. Maybe you could become a millionaire within a month. Yeah, right. Anyone who promises you that is a shameless scammer. The truth is that most people who try to make money online fail. We know what it feels like to fail. We know how much it hurts. It's not your fault. To make consistent money, you need to have the right tools and you need the secret shortcuts. After 9 years of experience as affiliates, we have the tools which actually work, and we know the secret shortcuts. That's how we make consistent money like this every single week. If you're a beginner, you face 3 challenges. Challenge 1, how do you build a website which can actually make you money? Solution, our software. 5-Minute Profit Sites will build you the website you need. It's so simple, but proven to make money. Challenge 2, how do you find websites which sell great products? Products which you can sell as an affiliate and make you the most commission money. Solution, our software uses a secret algorithm to find the websites with the best products. It does all the hard work for you, so you have an easy shortcut to the highest commission payouts. Challenge 3. How do you find people to buy products from those websites? Solution, we will hold your hand and give you a proven step-by-step method to send thousands of people to those websites. Even a complete beginner can copy this proven step-by-step method to make fast and consistent money. All you need is 23 minutes a day. It's so simple that if I shared it with my grandpa, who's 78 years old and hates computers, I'm 100% confident that even he could make money with it. Okay, so let's go back to the software. Our website should be ready for us. And there we go. We've got a brand new done-for-you affiliate website. It's valued at $497, but if you own the FMPS software, it's free. It's fully hosted by us on our servers. Here you've got your own custom logo. Your website comes with a sales video presented by a professional actor. It's designed to convert visitors on your website to money in your bank account. It does this by promising them a free money-making system valued at $197. To download their free system, they click this button and enter their email. Then they land on this page. Here they can download their free system. At the same time, your website will send them to a ClickBank product through your ClickBank affiliate link, just like this. If they buy the ClickBank product, you get paid up to 75% commission for every sale. With such incredibly high affiliate commission, the potential to make money is huge. So, how long did it take to build our website? Remember it was 5:19 p.m. when we started step 1? Look here, it's now 5:24 p.m. So it took only 5 minutes to build our done-for-you affiliate website, exactly like I promised. As you saw in the live demo, to set up our website, all I did was click 17 times and fill in some basic information. Some simple form filling and 17 clicks to build a done-for-you website. That's it. It's a very simple looking website, but its profit potential is huge. Okay, so let me show you exactly how profitable this simple website can be. I've set up a brand new ClickBank affiliate account. Let me log into it. Give me a few seconds. Okay, we're in. Look here. It's not even earned $1 yet because it's a new account. I'm going to stop this video now and come back to it next week. Remember, the date today is Tuesday the 16th of January. I'll log into this same account next week to show you how fast the software can make money. In the meantime, we'll spend 23 minutes a day following the simple steps. By following the simple steps, we can send massive numbers of people every day from our affiliate website to websites selling products on ClickBank. With the simple steps, it's virtually impossible to fail. You don't want to miss this. Bye for now. Hello again, it's Sam here, and it's been exactly 6 days since we set up our done-for-you affiliate website and started using it with a new ClickBank account. Let's log in and see if we made any commission money. I'm so excited to show this to you. Let's do this. As you can see, it's currently Monday the 22nd of January. Remember we set up our website on Tuesday the 16th of January. In only 3 days, we made money. We made a whopping $662. Then, as you can see over the next few days, we made more money than the previous day. Today, we've made over $1,000. Each day we're making more money than the previous day. In total, so far, we've made $3,405 affiliate commission in only 6 days, all from a brand new account. Now do you believe how powerful the FMPS software is? Here's what our ClickBank account looked like before using the software. Here's what it looks like after using the software. Our software will find the best-selling products for you. It does all the hard work for you. All you need to do to get started is follow 3 simple steps to set up a done-for-you website. You watched me do that in less than 5 minutes and only 17 clicks. The earning potential from affiliate marketing is huge. Earlier, you saw me log into one of our other affiliate accounts. This is the kind of paycheck we make in a week. Most people don't even make this in a year. Here's another of our accounts. This is how much money we're making every week. Look at how much money we make every day. It's shockingly consistent money, day in, day out. We're not showing you this to brag. We're sharing our personal information with you so you can trust us when we say we know how to make money, and that you too can make money with our free software. Remember, you're getting our secret software for free. You might be wondering, why are we giving away our most valuable money-making software for free? We're doing this because we want you to partner with us. As partners, we'll help you and you'll help us. As partners, we make money every time you make money. So it's in our interest that you make as much money as possible with your new website. Okay, are you ready to get your own affiliate website and start making money? You must claim your Done For You website right here, right now on this page. You're one step away from securing a free license to use our new software, the same tool we use to get paid every single day. You're so close to tasting a slice of a $12.3 million pie. But I need to be clear, we can't keep this offer open for too long. At this point, I don't know when we'll have to take this video down, so our secret software doesn't get too much exposure. So, don't waste time. Follow the instructions on this video right away to get your Done For You website. You need to click the button below. I'm almost embarrassed by how simple this is. And it gets even better. You get a massive discount if you can claim your website today. You can think of your Done For You website as 100% free. So we're clear, we'll never charge you a single dime. You'll get our most powerful money-making software for free. That'll never change. But because we'll host your website on our powerful servers, we need to charge some kind of fee to provide you with an elite service and cover our server costs. Here's the good news about the low price we're charging. We've decided to take a whopping discount off the price for you. You'll see a special price only for you below. On top of this, to make sure you're completely satisfied, after you claim your free Done For You website and you pay the small hosting charge, you'll get a 60-day risk-free trial. If in the next 60 days you want your money back for any reason, you'll get every last cent back, guaranteed. We're 100% confident that you can make money with this. That's why you can think of your Done For You website as 100% free. We're not worried at all about losing money here, because you're definitely not going to want to refund. We'll bet all of our affiliate accounts that you can make a hell of a lot more money than you spend on your new website. You'll see why in a few minutes after you sign up. This system works. We would know because it's the software we ourselves use to make money. But we want to make you this ironclad guarantee, so you too can be 100% confident that your software will work and you can make money, period, no question. There's nothing to lose by signing up right now. Your next step is to click the button below and sign up 100% risk-free. Don't wait on this. If you don't take advantage of this right now, you're going to hate yourself later. I say that because if you don't sign up now, someone else might take your spot and make money instead. Don't let someone else claim the Done For You website you need. Take action right now. We know that there'll be high demand for the FMPS software, so we can't wait around for you to make a decision. You need to make the decision now to take action and get your website. Remember, this is a completely risk-free investment, so why wait? Why even think about it? This is a no-brainer. Sign up right now and get the website you need to make money. Don't wait a minute longer. Don't miss out on access by waiting too long. You might never see this website again. It's so easy to lock down your Done For You 5-minute profit site. Follow the instructions below this video to claim your discount. It's so simple. Follow the instructions below this video right now. It only takes 60 seconds to sign up, with absolutely no risk at your end. There's no reason not to do it. We want to help you. Sign up right now. You've got nothing to lose. All you need to do is sign up below and get started. But you need to act now. The longer you wait, the more money you're not making but could be making. To get in right now, all you have to do is follow the simple instructions below. This cash is just waiting for you to grab it, but you've got to make the move first. Click the button below and secure your spot. I have a members only message for you waiting on the other side, something you won't want to miss. So, right now, sign up before it's too late.